Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset your Guardian Smart System Gateway. Let's perform an factory reset of our Guardian Smart Gateway completely to factory settings. For this we will need such a tool. That tool is called a SIM card extraction tool. Or you use a little needle but without a sharp component. First, we connect the gateway to the internet router using the network cable. The network cable supplies on the backside. Then we can go to disconnect the power supply unit. That's the power from the gateway. And then our special tool comes to us. We press and hold the reset button on the gateway. Now we are going to push with it on it several times, as you can see. And then we press and hold the reset button on the gateway. While we perform this, we're going to reconnect the gateway to the power supply unit. And then it's time for waiting. Keep pushing the reset button with your tool. We wait until the right power LED lights up yellow. If this power LED light emitter diode will light up, we can release the reset button. The gateway is rebooting. We wait until the left internet light emitter diode and the right power light emitter diode lights up green continuously. This process can take up to 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!